I'd like to welcome back with us my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, which we're a huge fan of those Callaways. First of all, because of, I mean, they're so trustworthy. I love how they can really sell or buy homes for everybody. And I like that they're all over the valley as well.
Oh, absolutely.
And they have an amazing website to go and check out as well. But I understand you have a really neat house to tell us about.
I do. Expansive and elegant. Those are the two words that come to mind to describe this home. And it's in Scottsdale. And it's in the magic 85254 zip code.
Oh, I love that.
It's almost a full acre lot with a north-south exposure, which we love. Semicircle paver drive, 5 bedrooms.
Oh, wow.
5 baths, 6 garage spaces.
Oh my gosh.
And over 5,300 square feet of living space, including a guest house. The interior features massive living spaces with soaring 10-foot ceilings, low E dual pane windows and hickory floors. And the kitchen has dual ovens, buffet, tiled backsplash, walk-in pantry, and just everything that you could possibly desire.
Oh, definitely.
Master suite has a private patio exit, dual-sided fireplace, and a wood accent wall separates vanities and all the comforts of living. The home has an exercise room and bonus room with a wet bar. And you'll love the outdoors. An alluring, entertaining area with conversation square and waterfalls is surrounded by a U-shaped covered patio. It even has an RV gate and parking and direct bridle path access.
Sounds amazing.
You'll want to come out and see this home today, and it's priced at $1,310,000.
That is a great deal for that home, so
Yes,
people
it's
definitely need to go
wonderful.
check it out. Thanks for joining us again.
You're welcome.